Hi, this is Infotainment TV for you, and we are back with more of knowledge. Today we are literally going on a road ride exploring glimpse of Kheda district in Gujarat. We started our journey from Ahmedabad and headed towards Sevalia village of Kheda district through Ahmedabad-Indore highway. We are accompanied by incredible views on our way. The sky is blue, filled with clouds. The green bushes and trees are welcoming us, and we are heading our way chasing the clouds. It seems that the atmosphere is appealing us to do some natural photography on this expedition. Now we are getting a very nice view of Vanagbori Thermal Power Station on our way to Sevalia. It is a coal-fired power station located at the bank of Mahi River. It contains 8 units and cooling tower of about 180 meter in height. Passing through farms and canals, we are turning towards our destination. We are visiting the Community Health Care Center of Sevalia, percolating the marketplace. Basically, in India, CHC or a Community Health Care Center is a state government-based healthcare body serving population with limited access to healthcare. It is a small building for now, and construction work for a well-established structure is under progress right beside the present center. Railway track and roadways shows the connectivity of the place. As we all know, the best way to know a place is to eat it. We came to know that Sevalia is famous for its sev khamni. It is a non-fried Gujarati snack made with Bengal grams, and it's indeed delicious. Now we are leaving the village, passing through some pottery shops, advancing towards the Vanagbori Dam. It is a 30-minute ride from here. We again bid goodbye to the canal and the Vanagbori thermal power station. Our destination is bit in interior. Now we are pulling over towards the Balasina road. It is a one-lane road. It is about 10-kilometer drive from here. So we have reached the Vanagbori Dam. The gates are closed for now. So we are taking a foot walk to view the project from other side. The beauty of the place is mesmerizing. The wide open riverbed with a small stream flowing and the rocks scattered all over the place truly fascinates the visitor. And our tour companion can't wait to get down to the rocky riverbed. Down there when you reach, it appears as if you are in the frame of a climax scene of old Bollywood movies. For now, the place is silent and empty, but during heavy rains, you can imagine this whole place flooding with water, drowning all the slabs and rocks. On returning, we got lucky to get permission to explore the dam. We walked towards the maximum limit and examined the place once again from a different angle. Seeing the width of the riverbed, we can imagine how many gallons of water must be running through the area during rainstorm. The other side of the dam has a canal. The place is very peaceful and full of nature. Being nostalgic, we have decided to ride to our college campus in Nadiad, which is a 1 hour drive from here. Enjoying the sun shower, we rotated our wheels towards Nadiad. Passing through farms, railway crossings, and many villages, we reached Vaniawad. Moving forward, leaving the kidney circle behind, we trundled through the college street, had a glimpse of our university, and took off, waving goodbye to Santaram Temple of Nadiad. The Nilgiri trees seems to be appealing us to visit again, and I must say that the sky accompanied us the whole trip, showing its different moods. Lastly, on our way back home, the sky seems appeased by the journey. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like. Till then, avjo.